through the muscles. Right, too?
Let's go.
So if we're up here on the front paws, the muscles that cause the paw to flex, we're just going to call this whole group of muscle here the flexor. One on the other side that cause the foot to extend, these are extensors. We're going to call this the biceps brachii. One on the back side of the upper arm is the triceps brachii. The deltoids right here in the shoulder, the cats actually have 3 muscles that make up that deltoid group. We're just going to call it the deltoid. Group of muscles back here. This is the latissimus dorsi. They have several muscles that make this up as well. We're not going to go there. We're just going to call it latissimus dorsi. And then up here in the shoulders, this is the trapezius. The muscle here in the jaw, this is the masseter. Helps mash up food. This muscle here that connects behind the ear to the sternum, that's called the sternomastoid in cats. Okay. This big flap that's been cut, this is the pectoralis major, the minor's underneath. Pectoralis minor's underneath. Okay. In between each of these ribs, these are called the intercostal muscles. So the muscle that attaches all the ribs, those are the intercostals. Big group of muscles that make up the front of the stomach here, the lower abdomen. It's the rectus abdominis. These groups of muscles that make up the sides, where the love handles would be, those are the obliques, external obliques. Alright, going down here into the leg, you've got the patella right here, which is embedded in the patellar tendon, which attaches on the tibia. The muscle that lies along the front of the tibia, this is the tibialis anterior. On the back here, this is the Achilles tendon. This is the calcaneus, which is the heel. The Achilles tendon attaches to the gastrocnemius, so it controls flexion of the foot. Underneath of that, this muscle that lies underneath the gastrocnemius along the tibia, that's called the soleus. Okay, in the upper thigh, we've got the sartorius. We've got the gracilis, which is this big muscle that attaches here. When we fold that up, we have the semimembranosus and then the semitendinosus, which helps make up one of the hamstring groups on the back of the leg. You can kind of see it on this side. That's the semitendinosus. And this big old group of muscles that helps make up the quad here. Oh, here we got the gluteus maximus, and then this big one is the biceps femoris. Gluteus maximus, biceps femoris.